Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the silent way method in teaching language. First off, what is silent way? Silent way is a method of language teaching devised by Caleb Gattegno. It is based on the premise that the teacher should be silent as much as possible in the classroom. In this method, the learner should be encouraged to produce as much language as possible. Gattegno states that the method is based on the constructivism theory and leads the learners to develop their own conceptual models of the language. The silent way is characterized by its focus on discovery, creativity, problem solving and the use of accompanying materials. Richards and Rogers summarized the method into three major features. The three major features of the silent way method. 1. Learner discovers or creates rather than remembers and repeats what is to be learned. 2. Learning is facilitated by accompanying, mediating, physical objects. 3. Learning is facilitated by problem solving involving the material to be learned. The teacher roles. Teacher acts as a facilitator. The main task is to teach the language by letting the students test out the linguistic choices. Next, teacher acts as a neutral observer. Teacher does not have to provide positive or negative feedback. According to Stevic, teachers' tasks are to teach, to test and to get out of the way. The student roles. Students are expected to develop independence, autonomy and responsibility. Next, students are expected to participate in class actively. They should be willing to make mistakes and to be corrected. Thirdly, students involved in verbal interactions and peer correction activities. Students must learn to work cooperatively rather than competitively. There are few methods used in teaching silent way. First, sound colored chart. Each colored chart are representing a sound in targeted language or any second language. Next, the Cruisenaire rods. It is used to demonstrate most grammatical structures such as tenses, verbs and prepositions. Thirdly, Fidel chart. The Fidel chart is a set of charts presenting all the possible spellings of each sound of the language using the same color code as the rectangle chart and word charts.
Okay, good morning class.
Morning, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to recap back on part of speech, quantifiers and also article. Okay, now let's start.
Preposition. Pronoun. 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 Interjection. Articles. Verb. Quantifiers. Quantifiers. Adjective. Adverb. Adverb. Conjunction. Noun. Noun.
Okay, so now give me the examples. Let's start from
Preposition. On. Pronoun she. Pronoun he.
Interjection of mine.
Articles. The. Articles a. Verb. Stand. Verb. Swim.
Quantifiers. Some. Quantifiers. A few.
Adjective. Happy. Adjective. Sad. Adverb. Sweetly.
Conjunction. And. Conjunction or.
Noun. Malaysia. Noun. Cupcake.
Alright. This is another method in silent way using the Cruisenaire rod. So, orange represents subject, blue represents verb, and red represents object. So let's start.
I read newspaper. I read newspaper. He plays cricket. He plays cricket.
Ali eats cupcakes. Ali eats cupcake.
Okay.
That is all from us. Thank you.